Hi everybody, I'm Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber, and ever since our YouTube channel got hacked and all the videos got deleted, the MoJo, she's been running a little low around here, but you know what? We've been filming lately, you guys have been watching, and we're pumped up again to bring you new videos. So we're going to reignite our Woodworking Life Series where we take you through our daily operations of running the sawmill business as well as our fully finished furniture business. From sawmilling that board to shipping out that fully finished table, we're going to show you everything in between. So hope you enjoy the video. Of course, make it a great one.
Hey guys, Justin from the shop in here. Just gonna go over some things that we got going on right now. So we'll start with this piece. This is gonna be a double waterfall. This is really half of it. Took a sample off the end, which we're gonna be doing some color sampling on for our clients so we can really nail down the color that they want. So we're gonna be sanding this up and doing that. All right, so this was a slab that our client actually brought to us. This is the bottom side. The top side, it's a lot more wood surface area, but brought it to us and it was about 5 inches thick and super, super warped, twisted, and he wanted to bring this table back to life, cast it in epoxy. So what we did was we flattened it on our CNC. We got it nice and smooth, flat, where we could actually work with it. We built the form, and we poured 120 liters in this. We did an initial pour of 70 liters of the Chem Thick. Then we did a second pour of about 50 liters of the Chem Thick. Then from there, went through our CNC again, sanded it. Now we got finish on it, which we're gonna add a little bit more later just because this is a wood from South America. Really sucked it in a lot, so we're gonna add a little bit more in so that we really get the protection. This table is actually a set. There's a coffee table in our rack, which is gonna be, these two tables are gonna be going to Portland, I believe, Washington, around there. So, but what we're waiting for on this is, you can see it's done, it looks really beautiful, is we're gonna be adding some lights to the bottom of it, which is really gonna make the epoxy glow, really show off the edges on the inside. We'll get to you some updated pictures on that. This is a pour we recently did. Waiting on Paul to see if we can take it out of the form yet. So that we got that big conference table. We have 2 desks here, which we finished with Odier's oil. If you get a close look, you can see how nice and shiny it is. Really, really beautiful how these turned out. And then with those, we have 2 more desks, which if you've been following along, you've been seeing on our social media. This one has got a base pour of really, really cool white pattern, white pearl with a clear on top. If you come back over here, this is a similar one where we did a base pour of black, and then we did like a white kind of like beach scene or wavy pattern to it with clear on top of it again. So yeah, we're gonna keep going with these, pump them out, and then you'll get to see everything all nice and completed. So keep following along.
Hey guys, it's Troy from Legacy Lumber. If you've watched for a while, I'm sure you've noticed me on the camera a couple times, but I can't avoid it any longer apparently. So now I have to talk and tell you about my day the odd time. Today we got lots of orders going out, and we'll show you them. All right, so we got a good start to the year here this year. A lot of big orders. We got this 2 skids here going out to California, over to our buddy Kyle Schmidt at Alive Desk. He's got a beautiful boule of maple here, and then lots of perfect ash slabs, 30 inches wide. And then this skid over here is actually going to our northern dealer. Not so north anymore. We might have a dealer even further north, but that's Riley at Anderson Woodworking. And he'll be getting that next week. All right, here's another skid going out next week to Quebec. Our friends at Concept M Rustique. He's got some beautiful Mappa burl slabs, river table sets. So if you need any river tables, check him out. He's in Quebec. And Rob at Concept 13 also has some of this stuff as well. It's really nice. All right, last thing on the list today probably is this beautiful silver maple slab. It's going out to Newfoundland to our friend Mike Perry. And really underrated. They've been for sale for a little while. Beautiful character in this wood. And we got about 5 more left. They're 8 feet long and about 30 to 45 inches wide. So if you're interested in these big silver maple slabs, we have about 5 left, and you can reach out to Rob at Concept 13. He's in Mississauga, and we can get them dressed up for you.
Hey YouTubers, Amy here from Canadian Woodworks, just working on some behind the scenes stuff today. We got payroll going on. We have 2 tables going to the States, so I've been working on all the paperwork for that. you know, ordering supplies, invoicing, and doing some emails. So, happy Friday.
What's going on, guys? Andy here with Canadian Woodworks. I am the new guy that's been filming and editing all the new recent videos, so hope you guys are liking them. I'm trying my best here. This is a new skill for me that I've been learning, so please be kind in the comments below. But what have I been doing today? We just finished uploading the Saturday video, which is up on YouTube now, so make sure you go and take a look. Right now I'm working on a new Woodworking Life 202, I believe the number is, so check back on YouTube for that. And yeah, we're just trying to create as much content for you guys as we can and get all those videos out there. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that beautiful stuff, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Cheers.
I'm out of here.